Beneath the frozen silence of Antarctica, where the ice stretches like a frozen mirror reflecting a universe in retreat, whispers of a cosmic paradox stir the stillness. Imagine a silent symphony, played by particles so elusive that their movements defy the boundaries of light and darkness, rising upward through the depths like ghostly phantoms chasing shadows of the unseen. These high-energy neutrinos, born from forces we scarcely comprehend, dance beneath the surface, silent messengers from a realm where matter and mystery entwine. The ANITA detector listens intently, capturing echoes of a universe that refuses to reveal all its secrets, while the IceCube remains mute, as if holding its breath. Could these signals be whispers of dark matter? Whispers of hidden dimensions? Or perhaps an echo of Earth's own shadowed secrets? The deployment of the ultra-sensitive PUEU detector promises to unveil what was once unreachable, igniting new questions in the dark. We stand on the edge of an abyss where light and silence converge. What truths lie hidden behind this cosmic veil? Beneath the vast, icy silence of Antarctica, an environment as immense and mysterious as the universe itself, lies a realm of secrets waiting to be uncovered. Imagine a frozen canvas stretching for miles, where the cold reflects not just light, but the very fabric of existence. An expanse so expansive that it mirrors the boundlessness of space. In this frozen frontier, signals pulse silently, like whispers from a universe that refuses to reveal all its truths. Here, amid the endless ice sheets, a paradox stirs, a cosmic riddle woven into the fabric of reality. High-energy neutrinos, tiny, almost invisible messengers, stream through the cosmos, carrying tales from the farthest corners of the universe. These particles are like cosmic postcards, yet unlike any other, they traverse galaxies unimpeded, whispering secrets of phenomena so powerful they challenge our understanding of nature itself. When these neutrinos interact with matter, they produce fleeting signals, faint echoes of events that occurred billions of light-years away, detonations of energy that ripple through the fabric of space-time. Detecting these elusive particles is no small feat. Instruments like ANITA, suspended high above the ice in a balloon of cutting-edge technology, listen intently for the telltale signals produced by the Askaryan effect, an extraordinary phenomenon where particles traveling faster than light in a medium like ice generate a burst of radio waves. It's a cosmic ballet of physics, where particles defy expectations, illuminating the universe's most profound mysteries. Meanwhile, deep beneath the IceCube observatory remains silent, an enigmatic pause that intensifies the intrigue. It's as if the universe itself is holding its breath, or perhaps hinting at phenomena we have yet to comprehend, from dark matter's shadowy influence to hidden extra dimensions lurking beyond our perception. The scientific community stands at a crossroads, caught between the silence of IceCube and the signals captured by ANITA. Are these signals mere anomalies, or are they clues pointing toward realms beyond our current grasp? Some theorists suggest they could be footprints of dark matter particles, whispering from the shadows of the universe. Others propose they hint at alternate dimensions, hidden pathways that bend and fold beyond our familiar three-dimensional world. Still, others wonder if unknown Earth-based phenomena might be influencing these signals, an unsettling reminder of how much we have yet to understand about our own planet. Now, with the deployment of the ultra-sensitive PUEU detector, an instrument designed to probe even deeper, to listen more intently than ever before, the quest enters a new chapter. This technological marvel aims to peel back the layers of cosmic and terrestrial obscurity, to reveal what has been concealed within this grand, icy cathedral of the universe. As we stand on the threshold of discovery, Gazing into the infinite, one question persists. What truths might be hidden within this vast, silent architecture? The universe's secrets are within reach, shimmering just beyond the veil of ice and darkness, waiting to be unveiled. Beneath the icy silence of Antarctica, secrets whisper through the frozen depths, carried by particles so elusive they almost seem to vanish into the void. These high-energy neutrinos move upward through the ice, challenging our understanding of the universe. The ANITA detector listens quietly, capturing echoes of mysteries that defy explanation, while the IceCube remains hushed, as if holding its breath. Perhaps these signals are hints of dark matter, hidden dimensions, or phenomena we have yet to name. Now, with the gentle arrival of the PUEU detector, our quest deepens, inviting us to listen more closely, to feel more deeply. Let's return to where it all began, to that quiet wonder that stretches beyond the stars, into the depths of our curiosity. If this journey touched your soul, if you feel the wonder of the unknown, leave your voice in the comments, and together, let's explore what lies beyond the horizon. Before the universe as we know it unfolded, there was only an endless, swirling void, an ancient, primordial silence that stretched beyond time itself. It was a silence so profound that it echoed in the very fabric of existence, a quiet that held within it the potential for everything yet to come. Imagine that silence as a vast, dark canvas, blank and infinite, awaiting the first brushstrokes of creation. In that void, chaos reigned, a tumultuous dance of energy and matter without form or purpose, like a cosmic firestorm flickering in the shadows of eternity. From the depths of this chaos, something extraordinary began to stir, an act of cosmic birth. It was as if the universe itself inhaled a breath of fiery dust, igniting the first sparks of existence. Stars ignited like ancient furnaces, their luminous flames piercing the darkness, forging elements within their cores. These stellar deaths, cataclysmic supernovae, became the primordial forges where the universe's building blocks were shaped. Through their fiery finales, they scattered dust and fragments of themselves into the void, seeds of future worlds and life. This process was like a divine alchemy, transforming chaos into structure. The remnants of dying stars, carbon, oxygen, iron, drifted through the cosmic ocean, coalescing over eons into planets, moons, and, eventually, life itself. The universe, once a wild tempest of energy, gradually settled into patterns and rhythms, like a symphony emerging from the chaos. Each explosion, each burst of stellar fire, was a cosmic heartbeat, a pulse of creation echoing through the vastness, whispering the promise of something new. In this ancient silence, the universe began to hum with the faint echoes of its own origin, a lullaby woven from stardust and fire. It was a melody that spoke of origins, of birth from darkness, of chaos giving way to order. The universe's infancy was like a primordial cradle, rocking in the silence that preceded all sound, all matter, all life. It was a time when the fabric of reality was still fragile, still forming, waiting for the delicate touch of evolution to sculpt worlds, to carve paths through the darkness. And then, from the depths of that silence, the first particles, neutrinos, began their silent journeys across the cosmos, carrying whispers of the universe's earliest moments. These elusive messengers traverse the cold, unyielding ice of Antarctica, where detectors like ANITA listen intently, seeking echoes of the universe's first breath. The ice beneath is a frozen archive, a silent witness to epochs long past, holding secrets wrapped in the whispers of particles moving against the flow of time itself. Yet amidst this cosmic symphony, there exists a quiet paradox. The IceCube detector, deep beneath the Antarctic ice, remains silent, its sensors waiting in stillness, like a vast cathedral of ice holding its breath. The universe sings in neutrinos, yet sometimes it seems to whisper in riddles, signals that defy explanation, hints of phenomena beyond our current understanding. Could these signals be fragments of dark matter, hidden dimensions, or mysterious Earth-based phenomena lurking beneath the silence? Now, with the arrival of the ultra-sensitive PUEU detector, the story takes a new breath. It is as if we have placed a tiny, cosmic ear into the depths of the universe's ancient silence, listening more carefully than ever before. What secrets lie buried in that silence? What stories are etched into particles traveling through the cold darkness, waiting to be heard? In this moment of anticipation, as science and wonder intertwine, the question lingers: what remains buried in that ancient silence? Beneath these records, something is still alive. A whisper from the very fabric of time itself. Science, in its silent patience, becomes a diary. A time capsule capturing the echoes of the universe's earliest moments, inscribed not in words, but in patterns of light, in shadows of fossils, and in the faint hum of particles that traverse the void. Each data point is a fragment of memory, a flash from the distant past, waiting to be deciphered by the curious eye and steady hand. Imagine the universe as a vast ancient library, where the earliest chapters are written in the language of energy and matter. Among these pages, the MEV emissions, measured in millions of electron volts, stand as luminous footprints of nucleosynthesis, the cosmic alchemy that forged the elements. These emissions are like faint fingerprints left behind by nuclear reactions, silent testimonies to the universe's fiery youth, when stars burst into life, scattering their elemental treasures across the cosmos. They are, in essence, fossilized whispers of creation, revealing that even in the chaos of primordial times, order was being inscribed into the very fabric of existence. In the depths of Antarctica's icy silence, detectors like ANITA listen to these ancient signals, upward-moving high-energy neutrinos, particles so elusive they are often called ghost messengers. They traverse the cosmos unimpeded, carrying within them the memory of distant cataclysms, collisions of particles, the birth of stars, or perhaps the footprints of phenomena we have yet to comprehend. These neutrinos are like time travelers, whispering stories from the universe's infancy, their silent passage a testament to events long past but never forgotten. Yet, amid this tapestry of signals, a paradox persists. The IceCube detector, a colossal observatory embedded within the Antarctic ice, remains mostly silent, its vast array of sensors listening intently but hearing little. This silence echoes like a pause in the grand narrative, challenging our theories. Could it be that the universe's most mysterious components, dark matter, hidden dimensions, or unknown Earth-based phenomena, are writing a different story? Perhaps these particles and signals are clues pointing toward realms beyond our current understanding, realms that intertwine with the very essence of existence. Now, with the deployment of the ultra-sensitive PUEU detector, the story takes a new turn. This instrument, refined and poised, offers a sharper ear to the universe's subtle symphony. It promises to unearth whispers previously drowned by cosmic noise, to reveal secrets encoded in the faintest signals. Like a meticulous archivist, PUEU extends our ability to listen to the universe's silent archive, to read its hidden diary, and unlock the mysteries encoded within. In this unfolding narrative, science becomes a poetic act, a quiet dialogue with eternity. Each discovery, each faint signal, is a note in the symphony of existence. The universe's past speaks in photons, particles, and waves, reminding us that even the most invisible phenomena are repositories of history, capturing the echoes of creation, destruction, and rebirth. Beneath these records, something is still alive, a pulse from the depths of time, waiting to be heard, understood, and woven into the story of everything. Beneath the icy crust of Antarctica lies a vast, hidden universe, a realm beyond sight, where secrets ripple through the microscopic depths and the unseen structures shape the cosmos. It is a landscape of extremes, where the silence of the continent conceals powerful phenomena that challenge our understanding of reality. Imagine a space so immense and so remote that no eye can perceive its true scale. Yet its influence reaches through the ice and into our detectors, whispering stories of particles and forces we have only begun to comprehend. Deep beneath the ice, high-energy neutrinos, ghostly messengers from the distant universe, move upward, defying the natural expectation of their downward journey. These particles, almost indestructible, carry within them the echoes of cataclysmic events, of cosmic explosions and perhaps even unknown dimensions. The ANITA detector, perched on the Antarctic stratosphere, listens for these elusive signals, capturing transient bursts that hint at phenomena far beyond our immediate grasp. It's a silent observer in a realm where light and matter intertwine in ways that stretch the limits of human knowledge. Yet, amid these silent whispers, a paradox persists. The IceCube Observatory, a colossal array embedded deep within the ice, remains eerily quiet. No neutrinos from certain energetic origins arrive as expected, leaving scientists puzzled and questioning. Could this silence be a clue? A hint of hidden forces? Or perhaps the signature of dark matter or extra dimensions subtly cloaking their presence? Or is it an indication of Earth-based phenomena we have yet to identify? The contrast is stark. One detector echoes with potential, while the other remains deafeningly silent, fueling speculation and igniting debates across the scientific community. Enter the PUEU detector, an ultra-sensitive instrument designed to probe even the faintest signals. Its deployment reopens the investigation, offering a new lens through which to observe these mysterious emissions. Now, the universe whispers more clearly, revealing faint traces of nuclear reactions from the universe's infancy, fossils of the chaos and order that forged the elements. These MeV emissions are tiny, intricate fingerprints left behind in the cosmic fabric, fragments of a primordial story written in the language of nuclear physics. But what kind of life waits inside this silence? Is it a realm of dormant, unseen worlds, microscopic ecosystems thriving in the cracks of ice, or perhaps the echoes of cosmic phenomena so faint that they are almost imperceptible? Could these signals point to structures so remote and complex that they resemble a magnetar, a neutron star with an intense magnetic field, hidden deep within the Earth's crust, or perhaps far out in space, its unseen presence shaping the universe in ways we are only beginning to understand? The contrast of the scale is staggering. The vastness of space compressed into the microscopic particles that pass through the Earth's crust. The silent depths of the ice concealing worlds unknown, waiting to be uncovered. It's a realm where the boundaries between the seen and the unseen blur, where every faint signal is a window into the hidden architecture of the universe. The more we listen, the more we realize that beneath the ice, beneath the silence, lies a labyrinth of mysteries, alive with unseen forces, unseen worlds, waiting for discovery. In this ongoing quest, science becomes a journey into the invisible, a dialogue with the universe's most secretive layers. As we deploy the PUEU detector and refine our understanding, we inch closer to revealing what lurks beneath. what lies in the shadowy depths of space and Earth alike. The silence may be profound, but it is also a gateway, a threshold to realms unseen, where the true nature of existence quietly awaits its discovery. In the vast, silent depths beneath Antarctica's icy surface, resilience takes on a form both delicate and profound. Beneath layers of frozen silence, where temperatures defy human endurance, life persists in ways that seem almost miraculous. Tiny microbes cling to the microscopic cracks in the ice, their existence a testament to nature's quiet determination. They endure the relentless cold, the crushing pressure, and the darkness that stretches beyond comprehension, all while silently rewriting the story of survival. These minuscule beings, invisible to the naked eye, embody a resilience that is as ancient as the continent itself. A whisper of life holding on in the face of overwhelming adversity. At a macro scale, the continent's frozen expanse is a monument to endurance. The glaciers, slow-moving and unwavering, carve their paths through the landscape, shaped over millennia by forces they cannot see or control. They stand as silent witnesses to the passage of time, resilient against storms, seismic shifts, and the relentless cold. The ice, in its quiet persistence, reflects a quiet strength, an unyielding force that endures despite the harshest of conditions. It reminds us that persistence does not always shout. Sometimes it is a gentle, unbreakable presence, a steady heartbeat that echoes through the icy corridors of the Earth. In the universe's grand tapestry, these scales mirror our own human journey. Just as microbes beneath the ice adapt to survive in extreme cold, humans have learned to find warmth in despair, hope amid hardship, and meaning amid chaos. Our resilience often manifests in small acts, an unwavering belief in a better tomorrow, a quiet refusal to surrender to circumstances beyond our control. Like the microbes, we cling to our hopes, forging ahead through uncertainty, driven by an instinct as old as life itself. The instinct to endure, to persist, to find a way forward. Nature's perseverance is poetic in its simplicity, a seed buried deep within the earth, waiting patiently for the right moment to sprout, mirrors our own patience in the face of adversity. An ancient glacier, slowly drifting through the landscape, echoes our own slow, steady progress through difficult times. Both remind us that resilience is not always about dramatic leaps or loud victories. Sometimes it is about the quiet, persistent effort that accumulates over time, eventually breaking through barriers that once seemed insurmountable. If life finds a way there, hidden beneath layers of ice, amidst the cosmic whispers of neutrinos and the silent watch of the universe, then what are we capable of surviving? This question lingers like a gentle breeze, urging us to look inward and upward. It invites us to see ourselves as part of a larger story, one where persistence is woven into the very fabric of existence. The discovery of faint signals from the depths of space and the fragile flickers of atomic reactions in the universe's infancy serve as metaphors for our own resilience. They remind us that even in the darkest, most hostile environments, whether beneath kilometers of ice or within the depths of our own challenges, life, in its infinite forms, continues to thrive. The deployment of the ultra-sensitive PUEU detector marks a new chapter in this ongoing story. It offers a delicate hope, a whisper of possibility, that the mysteries lurking beneath the ice might someday reveal secrets about the universe's hidden forces, about matter and dimensions beyond our current understanding. It is an act of perseverance in science itself, a testament to humanity's unwavering curiosity. As we listen to the faint echoes of the past, we recognize that resilience is not just in survival, but in the pursuit of understanding, in the gentle, persistent quest to uncover the unknown. In this silent, icy world, resilience is a quiet symphony, an ode to the enduring spirit that connects us all. From the tiniest microbes to the vast glaciers, from neutrinos racing through space to the hopes carried within us, life's capacity to endure and adapt is a testament to the profound strength woven into the universe's very fabric. If life finds a way there, beneath the ice, in the shadows of distant galaxies, then perhaps we too are capable of surviving anything. And in that possibility lies hope, a gentle, unwavering light that guides us forward, step by step, into the uncharted future. Beneath Antarctica's icy surface, a silent alarm has been ringing. High-energy neutrinos, moving upward against the odds, have been detected. Signals that defy everything we thought we knew. The Askaryan effect whispers secrets of the universe's deepest mysteries, yet the silence from IceCube remains deafening. What does it mean? Are we witnessing the elusive footprints of dark matter, hidden dimensions, or something entirely unknown lurking beneath the ice? Now, with the ultra-sensitive PUEU detector deployed, the story is changing. Faster than ever. These faint signals could rewrite our understanding of reality itself. And yet, something is unraveling fast. The tension is rising. What do these awakening signals tell you? Are we on the brink of discovery or facing an incomprehensible threat? Comment your thoughts. Because in this moment, the universe is speaking. Are you listening? As the universe's silent chorus reaches a deafening crescendo, the cosmic fabric itself begins to tear. Stars, once bastions of stability, flicker and die. A dying breath that echoes the slow but relentless melting of ice caps. The crackling of glaciers succumbing to an unseen inferno beneath. The universe's grand architecture, built over eons, unravels like a fragile spider's web under the weight of unseen forces. And Earth's delicate balance follows suit with an increasingly desperate cry. Imagine a magnetar, an intensely magnetic star, whose collapse sends ripples through space-time, twisting and warping the very essence of reality. Its implosion is a cosmic scream, a rupture that sends shock waves rippling outward, disturbing the fabric of existence. Yet, beneath Antarctica's ice, a different, more insidious unraveling persists. The ice sheets, once impervious, now drip and fracture as if melted from the inside out by an invisible heat, a slow decay that no longer waits for the final cosmic catastrophe. The planet's cryogenic fortress dissolves, revealing the vulnerability beneath the frozen veneer, exposing the fragile core of Earth's existence. In the depths of space, high-energy neutrinos, those ghostly messengers, are detected moving against the natural flow, defying expectations. These upward-moving signals, captured by the ANITA experiment and now echoed by the ultra-sensitive PUEU detector, are harbingers of something profoundly wrong. They are like the last tremors of a dying star. Signals that suggest forces beyond human understanding are at work. Forces capable of piercing through matter and shielding, revealing secrets buried in the universe's dark corners. They whisper of unseen dimensions, hidden realms where matter and energy dance in chaos, threatening to spill into our world. The parallel is visceral. Just as the Magnetars' collapse signals a death knell for a celestial titan, the melting ice caps are the earthbound signature of planetary demise. Both are signs of a system pushed beyond its limits, a cosmic and earthly collapse intertwined in a shared narrative of irreversible decline. The universe's vast, cold emptiness mirrors the Earth's warming, each a mirror to the other's unraveling. both echoing the same grave truth that the balance we relied upon is crumbling, irreparably, and in that unraveling, new powers begin to stir. The very forces that threaten to tear apart the universe's fabric also stir beneath our feet and within our instruments. Dark matter, once an unseen shadow, now appears to be more than an elusive mystery. It may be a catalyst for destruction, a silent architect of collapse. Extra dimensions, hidden layers of reality, may be leaking or collapsing into our own, distorting the laws of physics and shattering the certainties we cling to. Earth-based phenomena, previously dismissed as anomalies, now surge with inexplicable energy, hinting at a deeper, more terrifying interconnectedness. The ice, the stars, the neutrinos, they are all parts of a single collapsing tapestry. The planet's cryogenic prisons, ice caves, glaciers, are cracking open, revealing microorganisms clinging desperately to survival, symbols of resilience amid chaos. But their fragile existence is nothing compared to the impending rupture that threatens to fracture the very bedrock of reality itself. The universe is unraveling, thread by thread, and with each passing moment, the fabric of existence frays further, exposing the darkness beneath. This is not a distant nightmare. It is immediate, visceral, impossible to ignore. The signs are everywhere, raging wildfires that mirror cosmic explosions, storms that echo the chaos of collapsing stars. The silence of the universe's most distant regions contrasted sharply with the frantic pulse of our own planet's distress. The Earth groans under the weight of unspeakable forces, and the cosmos screams with a fiery, deafening urgency. As the boundaries between worlds weaken and the unseen powers stir, humanity stands at the edge of a precipice. The collapse is no longer a distant, theoretical event. It is an omnipresent, visceral reality. The universe's unyielding march toward oblivion mirrors the slow death of our planet, both collapsing into chaos, both revealing the terrifying truth that the fabric of existence, fragile and fleeting, is slipping away, irretrievably torn. In that moment of unraveling, we are confronted with the raw, unvarnished truth. A universe and an Earth on the brink of collapse, their end written in signals from the depths of space and the melting of ice. A visceral reminder that nothing is eternal, and that the forces of destruction are already at work, reshaping everything we thought we knew. Beneath the icy surface of Antarctica, a silent revolution is unfolding, one that reaches beyond the realm of neutrinos and astrophysics into the core of our societal values. As scientists deploy ultra-sensitive detectors like PUEU to listen for the faintest whispers from the depths of the universe, we are reminded that knowledge itself is a form of power. The ability to peer into the cosmos, to detect anomalies that challenge our understanding of dark matter, extra dimensions, and unrecognized phenomena, signifies more than scientific curiosity. It embodies a strategic pursuit, one intertwined with geopolitical ambitions, economic interests, and ethical dilemmas that threaten to redefine the very fabric of our civilization. Space mining, with its allure of rare earths and vital minerals, has become a modern echo of colonial ambitions. Just as old empires sought new territories for resources, current powers envision extraterrestrial frontiers as the next domains of dominance. The potential to extract precious metals from asteroids or lunar surfaces promises immense economic gains, yet it also raises questions about control and sovereignty. Who will own the rights to these celestial treasures? Will the benefits be shared equitably, or will they deepen existing inequalities? History warns us that resource extraction often leads to environmental degradation and social marginalization, patterns that could be repeated on a cosmic scale. Meanwhile, the mysterious signals detected beneath Antarctica's ice serve as a metaphor for the hidden agendas that underpin these pursuits. The scientific community, ostensibly driven by curiosity and the quest for knowledge, often operates within a web of political and economic interests. The deployment of advanced detectors like PUEU is not merely about understanding the universe. It's about securing strategic advantages, controlling information, and shaping narratives. Behind the scenes, nations and corporations may be vying for influence over technologies that could, in time, be repurposed for military or economic dominance. This contrast between knowledge and control exposes a fundamental tension. The pursuit of scientific truth often masks underlying motives rooted in power. The silent neutrinos, carrying whispers of cosmic secrets, mirror the unspoken agendas of those who fund and influence these investigations. As we decode signals that challenge our understanding, such as the unexpected detection of high-energy neutrinos, there is a parallel reflection on how knowledge can be weaponized or used to cement dominance. The very act of listening to the universe becomes a strategic move in a broader game of influence and control. In this context, ethical dilemmas emerge with clarity. Should access to extraterrestrial resources be governed by international consensus, or will it be exploited by a few dominant actors? The specter of inequality looms large. Just as access to rare earth minerals on Earth has fueled conflicts and colonial exploitation, so too could space resources become a new battleground for economic disparity. The question is not only about who controls these resources, but also about who bears the environmental and social consequences of their extraction, both on Earth and beyond. The analogy extends to the microcosm of Earth's own resource struggles. Rare Earth elements, critical for modern technology, are concentrated in the hands of a few nations, leading to geopolitical tensions. The drive for space mining could replicate this pattern, creating new centers of power that reinforce existing inequalities. The pursuit of cosmic riches risks becoming another form of colonialism, this time in the uncharted territories of the solar system, where the invisible hand of corporate and state interests guides the future. Amid this complex landscape, the deployment of detectors like PUEU symbolizes a shift from passive observation to active strategic positioning. It exemplifies how technological advancements can serve dual purposes, expanding our understanding of the universe and consolidating control over new domains. The question then arises: who truly benefits from this knowledge? Is it humanity as a whole, or the few who wield the instruments of discovery? And so we ask, who shapes the future? And who is forgotten in its shadow? In contemplating these questions, we confront the uncomfortable reality that progress often masks inequalities. The knowledge gained from the universe's deepest secrets might empower some, but it also risks marginalizing others. The pursuit of cosmic resources and understanding is not merely scientific. It is inherently political, economic, and ethical. It challenges us to consider whether our drive to explore and exploit the unknown aligns with the values of equity and justice, or whether it perpetuates a cycle of dominance and neglect. Modern parallels remind us that history's patterns tend to repeat. New frontiers, old conflicts. The control of rare earths on Earth echoes the potential control of extraterrestrial resources. Colonialism's legacy of resource extraction and environmental destruction persists in the shadows of space ambitions. As nations and corporations race to develop technologies, they often do so with an eye on dominance, not shared benefit. The question remains, can we forge a future where exploration and resource utilization serve all, or will the drive for power inevitably lead to new inequalities? In this complex interplay of knowledge, control, and ethical responsibility, the stakes are high. The universe's secrets offer profound insights, but also carry the risk of deepening existing fractures. The delicate balance between exploration and exploitation, between in the quiet depths beneath Antarctica's ice, where the silence of the universe meets the whisper of secrets yet to be uncovered, a new frontier emerges, not just of science, but of morality, responsibility, and human agency. The detection of upward-moving high-energy neutrinos by ANITA, alongside the mysterious signals from PUEU, has opened a Pandora's box of possibilities. These signals challenge our understanding of the cosmos, hinting at phenomena beyond our current grasp. Dark matter, extra dimensions, or unknown Earth-based forces. But with this knowledge comes a profound ethical dilemma. How do we navigate the power to uncover, interpret, and act upon these cosmic whispers? Imagine, first, a future shaped by neglect and hubris. As the signals grow more perplexing, some factions perceive the revelations as mere curiosities, tools to be exploited for economic or political gain. The quest for resource extraction from extraterrestrial bodies accelerates, driven by greed and a desire for dominance. Under the guise of scientific progress, humanity pushes deeper into the unknown, unprepared for the consequences of awakening forces beyond our control. The ice beneath Antarctica, once a silent witness to Earth's history, becomes a battleground for control, mined for minerals, exploited for energy, its fragile ecosystems collapsing under the weight of human ambition. As the universe's mysteries intensify, so does our moral blindness, leading to a fractured world where the pursuit of power eclipses ethical reflection. The signals, once seen as potential keys to understanding, become instruments of destruction, unleashing unforeseen phenomena that threaten to destabilize Earth's fragile balance, perhaps even awakening forces that could end human civilization. But now, envision an alternative future, one rooted in responsibility, humility, and collective consciousness. As these cosmic signals challenge our understanding, humanity recognizes that with knowledge comes profound ethical obligation. The deployment of the ultra-sensitive PUEU detector serves not only as a scientific milestone, but as a moral compass, guiding us to use our discoveries wisely. We choose transparency over secrecy, collaboration over conquest. We see ourselves not as masters of the universe, but as stewards of a shared cosmic heritage, responsible for safeguarding not only our planet, but the delicate fabric of space-time itself. In this future, policies are shaped by inclusive dialogues. Scientists, ethicists, indigenous communities, and global citizens, working together to ensure that exploration enriches rather than destroys. The signal's revelations become catalysts for innovation in sustainable energy, climate resilience, and planetary preservation, aligning human progress with ethical stewardship. In this hopeful vision, the very act of discovery empowers us. You, as an individual and as part of this collective, hold the agency to influence which future unfolds. Every choice, supporting responsible research, advocating for equitable resource distribution, demanding transparency in scientific endeavors, becomes a thread woven into the fabric of our shared destiny. The signals from beneath Antarctica's ice are not just data points, but symbols of our potential to choose compassion over greed, understanding over exploitation. They remind us that the universe's deepest mysteries are intertwined with our moral path, and that our capacity for empathy, wisdom, and ethical commitment can shape a future where science elevates humanity rather than diminishes it. In the end, it's not just a story of stars, it's a story of us. The signals beckon us to reflect. Will we pursue knowledge at any cost, risking chaos and destruction? Or will we embrace the challenge as an opportunity to grow, to learn humility, and to forge a future rooted in integrity? The universe whispers its secrets, but the voice that truly guides us is the one within. our collective conscience. The choice is ours, to allow these cosmic mysteries to divide and diminish us, or to unite and elevate our shared humanity. The future remains unwritten, dependent on the ethical compass we hold, the values we cherish, and the actions we take today. As we peer into the depths beneath the ice, we are also looking into the depths of our own moral soul and the destiny that we are shaping for generations to come. Now, let us fall into silence and listen to the quiet whispers of the universe calling from beneath the ice. These signals, faint yet profound, remind us of the mysteries that lie beyond our grasp and within ourselves. As neutrinos traverse the cosmos, they carry stories of unseen forces, dark matter, hidden dimensions, phenomena yet to be understood. The deployment of the PUEU detector awakens a new chapter, one where our curiosity meets responsibility, where our desire to know must be tempered with reverence. Let your voice become a ripple in this cosmic ocean. Share your thoughts, your questions, your hopes. Your reflection can shape what unfolds in this unfolding mystery. In this moment of stillness, we are invited to listen not just with our ears, but with our hearts, acknowledging that the pursuit of knowledge is also a journey of moral awakening. Together, let us embrace the unknown, not as a threat, but as an opportunity to grow, to wonder, and to forge a future rooted in humility and hope. Beneath the silent, eternal ice of Antarctica, the universe whispers secrets through faint, upward-moving neutrinos, echoes of cosmic mysteries etched into the fabric of existence. The ANITA experiment uncovered signals that challenge the boundaries of understanding, hinting at forces beyond our grasp, dark matter, hidden dimensions, or phenomena yet unnamed. While the IceCube detectors remain still, their silence a paradox of cosmic message and human limitation. Now, with the deployment of the ultra-sensitive PUEU detector, those whispers grow louder, yet remain enigmas, reminding us that the universe's deepest truths are woven into the very silence we seek to interpret. It is as if the cosmos itself reflects a mirror, an invitation to ponder whether understanding is ever truly attainable or merely a reflection of our own longing for connection. In the end, the question persists. Are we listening to the universe's silent song? Or are we the ones waiting to be heard? And in that silence, the inevitable hum of existence endures.